baking. And then you open it. And it's beautiful inside. See how sticky. This goes in your stomach and it becomes sticky and cleans out the stomach. So it's so good. And then you just take this out like this. Yeah? Yes, you can do now. Global iron?
Mungkin sana. Pahit kah?
Ini.
Atas nah.
Hah?
Atas.
Enggak terlalu, tapi karena mungkin ini sendoknya agak tajam ke pinggirnya, Mbak. Dan emang Krisna juga belum terbiasa.
How is the taste Mataji?
Sweet or
Sometimes sweet.
Oh.
But this is a medicine.
Oke. Segini, segini udah.
Asin apa Mataji? Ya,
Apa bisa diginiin lagi?
di pinggirnya.
Oke.
Oke.
This is no good. So I'm going to take this out.
Pijak.
Kayak buah apa nih ya?
Mungkin warnanya.
Yeah, you do this. Press nicely and then you put water and you make it watery.
Oh.
It seems like it's a lot of work, but when you know it, you do very fast. Yeah, you just put some water. Just keep it watery. Like you're making juice, yeah, with your hands. Because if you put it in the machine, all the seed will become
Oh, that's
bitter.
why we do like manual.
That's why you have to use a hand. Mix nicely.
Aduk. Saring.
Very nice. Make it more watery.
Mix. Let's campur ya.
And then if you want to put sugar, you put sugar. I don't normally put sugar.
We can put sugar also Mataji.
Maybe
I don't put for Anand Moy Prabhu because not
Yeah,
good
yeah.
for him. Gurumans also no, but you can put. I'll put today for you gur. You know this gur?
Oh,
This
yeah.
is made from date. This is that gur from dates, not from sugarcane.
Yeah.
So it's nice. You can try it.
Kayak palem dulu.
Break it up and then you just strain it, offer it, and you can eat. This video is for Suniti Mataji. Please do for Guru Maharaj. So now you know how to do bail.
Oh yeah. Bill.
It's called bail.
Bail.
You get this in Indonesia?
No, I think
No,
Mataji I never see.
Yeah. Now you can just strain it. You wash your hand.
Mm-hmm.
And you just put this. See, she's done very good job because see all the seed is come out.
Like orange juice.
Yeah, like orange juice. Doesn't taste like orange juice, but it's 10 times more powerful than orange juice. It's a super food.
This is for all people
Digestion,
can.
anybody, children,
Oh,
anybody.
okay.
But it's for digestion and it's cleaning property of the stomach. Like if Madhu has this twice a day, it will be very good for Madhu.
Twice a day.